All right, Language Explorer. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So ago, ago, a time that has passed. I went there 2 days ago. We spoke with her 1 hour ago. Yeah. I last spoke to her 2 days ago. Yeah, online. Yeah. So I went there 3 years ago. They were here 2 weeks ago. I was in Mexico 7 months ago. She was with me 2 years ago. They were together 10 years ago. He met her 5 years ago. It was made 100 years ago. He wrote the book 20 years ago. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, I was there 1 day ago. Yeah. He was there 2 days ago and he saw me. Yeah. I wrote that novel just over 1 year ago. Just over a year ago. Nice. He came back from there 1 week ago. Yeah. I came back from Spain. Whoa. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago. Yeah. I think he'll be back when I think he will be back when I will have come back 1 year ago. So 1 year ago is when I came back, so he will come back soon too. How cool is that? We came back together. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Ago. Time that has passed. 1 day ago, 10 days ago, 1 minute ago. I made some tea half an hour ago, 30 minutes ago. How cool is that? Yeah. So ago. Now, can you use ago in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me when you search English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.